Good morning, children. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss our literature chapter, A Dialogue with Bill Gates, in detail. By the end of this video, you will be able to narrate story in your own words. You will be able to tell meanings of difficult words and phrases, and you will also be able to answer the related questions. Now, we will discuss the summary. This is an imaginary interview in which Bill Gates is interviewed by Anju, an editor of a school magazine. This interview reflects the views of Bill Gates about his childhood and work. He was conferred with Padma Bhushan in 2015. He has set up Bill and Melinda Foundation to enhance healthcare, educational facilities, and access to information technology. His foundation also works in the field of vaccines, family planning, agricultural development, sanitization, and control of various diseases. Their foundation works with central and state government of India. Their foundation thinks that they should pass on a better world to the next generation and carry forward the good work to the next level. Now, we will discuss the chapter in detail from our book. So, open your Roots and Wings book at page number 60. Now we are going to discuss a chapter 4, A Dialogue with Bill Gates, in detail. Before that, we'll start with a get set. Can you name the people shown in the pictures who have done us all proud? Now we are going to name one by one. The first one is Leander Paes. He is a tennis player. Second one, Rakesh Sharma. He is an astronaut. Third, Ratan Tata. He is an Indian industrialist and also a philanthropist. And the fourth one, Bill Gates. As you all know, he is co-founder of Microsoft. Now we are going to start with read and enjoy. Some people reach unprecedented heights of success with their consistent efforts and undaunted spirit, where unprecedented means extraordinary, consistent means continuous, and undaunted means courageous. A few of them resolve, where resolve means decide, to go out of the way and extend a helping hand to uplift the needy. They intend, where intend means wish or plan, to give back means wapis dena, to society in a generous way. Bill Gates is one such person. Let us read about him. So, in this paragraph, the author says that there are some people who achieve extraordinary heights in life. They are very successful and they want to share their success with the other people. So, to pay back the success that they have got from the world, they wish or intend to help the other people. Now, let us read further. India conferred, where conferred means gave or bestowed, the Padma Bhushan Award on billionaire philanthropist, where philanthropist means a person who works for the welfare of others, especially by donations. And Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates and his wife Melinda Gates in 2015 for their remarkable, where remarkable means extraordinary, work to improve health in developing countries. I hope you all know that India is a developing country. We are not developed yet, right? We do not come in the count of rich countries of the world. We are a developing country. Therefore, Bill Gates has also a foundation in India. Their foundation, named the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, is actively involved and has poured, where poured means supplied, poured in billions of dollars into medical research in developing countries. So, in this para, the author talks about Bill and Melinda. I hope you are clear who are Bill and Melinda. Bill Gates is the richest person of the world. He wanted to develop people of developing countries of the world. India is a developing country, so he has foundation in India also, and he has supplied billions of dollars in medical research in developing countries. Let us read further. Entrepreneur Bill Gates founded the world's largest PC software company called Microsoft with Paul Allen, where entrepreneur means a person, see here, meaning of entrepreneur is given, a person who sets up a business taking on financial risks. You have to write all the meanings side by side in your book. The meanings which are already given, that also you have to write. Okay, we will continue. Entrepreneur Bill Gates founded the world's largest PC software company called Microsoft with Paul Allen, and he subsequently means later, became one of the richest men means सबसे अमीर आदमी का in the world according to the Forbes list from 1995 to 2014. So, who is Bill Gates? Bill Gates is the founder of world's largest PC software company called Microsoft. Why is he famous? He is famous because he is one of the richest men in the world. Now see the next. William Henry Gates III, popularly known as Bill Gates, was born on 28 October 1955 in Seattle, Washington, to William H. Gates Sr. and Mary Maxwell. He grew up in an upper middle class family with two sisters. He had a very close relationship with his mother, Mary. So, William Henry Gates III is the real name of Bill Gates. And how is he famous? He is famous as Bill Gates. When was Bill Gates born? He was born on 28 October 1955. So, in these two paragraphs, we have read that why was he famous, when was he born, and we have also read about his family. Now, move to the next. The Gates family atmosphere was warm and close, and all the three children were encouraged by parents to be competitive and strive for excellence. To be competitive and strive for excellence means मुकाबले के लिए और आगे बढ़ने का संघर्ष, where strive means to make great efforts to achieve something. You have to write all the meanings in your book. Bill showed early signs of being competitive. Of being competitive means मुकाबले के योग्य, as he coordinated family athletic games at their summer house on Puget Sound. Bill's mother Mary was a teacher who gave up her career after a brief period to devote time raising the children and to work with charities, where charities means organizations set up to provide help and raise money for the needy, as well as on civic affairs. She often took Bill along when she volunteered, where volunteered means freely offered to do something, in schools and at community organizations. So, in these two paragraphs we have read that Bill Gates' father told their children to be competitive and strive for excellence. Bill Gates' mother wanted to help the people and she worked for charities, and obviously a good quality of a mother is passed on to her son. You can see we have read previously that he was very close to his mother Mary, so feeling of working for others had come in Bill Gates from his mother. Mother was involved in charities and often took him to the charities, so feeling of helping others developed in Bill Gates as well. Now let's read further. Bill was enrolled, where enrolled means registered, at Seattle's Lakeside School when he turned 13 and excelled, where excelled means to be superior. Excelled in all subjects, especially in maths and science. He also did very well in drama and English. So, in which school Bill Gates was enrolled? Bill Gates was enrolled at Seattle's Lakeside School. Which were the subjects Bill Gates was good at? Bill Gates was good at maths, science, drama and English. At Lakeside School, a computer company offered to provide computer time for students. Bill Gates met Paul Allen at school and they became fast friends, sharing a common enthusiasm, where enthusiasm means keen interest. Sharing a common enthusiasm over computers, Bill graduated from school in 1973 and joined Harvard University according to his parents' wishes to become a lawyer. But his interest was always in computers. In 1974, he dropped out, where dropped out means one who quits, of the university after discussions with his parents who supported him. So, in this paragraph we have read that Bill Gates had keen interest for computers right from his childhood. What did his parents want him to become? His parents wanted him to become a lawyer, but he developed computer software company Microsoft. So, he had very supportive parents. He joined law according to his parents' wish, but he had more interest in computer, so he dropped out of the university. Now let's read further. In 1976, Microsoft was set up in partnership with Paul Allen. In 1978, the company grossed, where grossed means earned, $2.5 million, with Bill as the CEO and chairman of the company. It surged, where surged means moved suddenly and powerfully ahead. It surged ahead, and by 2014 his wealth was more than 82 billion. Meanwhile, he met Melinda French in 1989 and they subsequently, where subsequently means later, got married in 1994. But Bill Gates was devastated. Why was he devastated? Now let's read. Bill Gates was devastated when his mother was diagnosed, where diagnosed means examined, diagnosed with breast cancer and died later the same year. With the help of his wife, Melinda, Bill began to realize that he had an obligation, where obligation means a course of action to which one is morally bound, to give more of his wealth to charity, where of his wealth to charity means अपनी संपत्ति को दान में. In these paragraphs we have read that Microsoft was set up in 1976 and with Bill Gates as the CEO and chairman of the company earned more than 82 billion. Bill Gates met Melinda French in 1989 and they got married in 1994. But he was devastated. Devastated means cause severe shock or grief. Why was he devastated? He was devastated because his mother died same year due to breast cancer. So, which tragic event in 1994 affect Bill Gates? In 1994, Bill Gates' mother was diagnosed with cancer and she died. So, with the help of his wife, Melinda, Bill Gates realized to give more of his wealth to charity. Now let's read further. He took interest in filling his mother's role as a civic leader. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation was formed in 2000 for philanthropic work. Bill Gates has stepped down, where stepped down means left something. Bill Gates has stepped down as chairman of Microsoft but is actively involved in charity work. He keeps visiting various parts of the world, including India, in connection with this work. During one of his visits to a school, Bill was interviewed by Anju, the editor of the school magazine. Here are some excerpts, where excerpts means extract or passage from the interview, wherein he speaks about his childhood, his work and his vision for the next 15 years, where visions means the ability to think and plan the future with wisdom. In these paragraphs, we have read that after the death of Bill Gates' mother, he formed Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for charity. He was no longer the chairman of Microsoft, but he continued his charity work. He visited various places of the world, including India, and during one of his visits to school, he was interviewed by Anju. In this chapter, we will discuss his interview in detail. Till now, we have discussed about Bill Gates, his childhood and work. In the next video, we will discuss his interview with Anju. By the time, read the chapter and revise word meanings and phrases. Thank you.